You are the cause of all the phenomena of your life. Once you understand this from the inside out, you will no longer need anything. You will not complain or cry. Yes, indeed, you are the cause of everything, and if you don't like anything in your life, you can easily change it. That's basically the main quote by Neville Goddard, or in other meaning, this is the core of his teachings. Some people agree with it, and some don't. But here in this video, we are going to discuss this quote in detail, and I'm pretty sure this video is going to give you a direction in your life. So watch this video till the end, and if you are watching our video for the first time, make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons and press the bell icon to get a notification whenever we upload a new video. So let's jump right into it. Well, thousands of people get help from manifestation coaches or from other people in the manifesting community. But in fact, if you truly understand that you are the cause, you will not need anyone's help. You may have heard or read the other phrase, you are the operant power, but many people don't internalize it even if they understand it. And if you don't internalize it, or if you don't believe it, you will see many doubts standing between you and your desire. Because in the back of your mind, you will always believe that something or someone can prevent you from having what you want. If you are one of those who have not yet seen any results, then you should understand and internalize this. You see, many people practice the law of attraction before they join the community of the law of assumption. In the law of attraction, they are taught that there is some power outside of them, and they will have to ask for that power to give them what they want. Many people come to know this after they fail to manifest their desires with the law of attraction. When you believe that there is some power or that there is some God, this alone is enough to make you fail. As long as there is a universe out there that may or may not grant you your desire, what are the chances that you'll be getting it? In the law of attraction, you are taught that you have to get help from some angels, and you will have to ask them to show you some signs. Or you will have to use some stones or some herbs. Some of the manifestation coaches even ask that your vibrations be aligned with your desires so that you can manifest it. But in fact, there is no power outside of you. You are the only one with the power to change things. So if you need anyone's help, it means you don't believe in your own power or you are afraid. Now, thousands of people are coming from the law of attraction community, and they are all joining Neville Goddard's community of manifestation. Because those people got tired of failing and believed that there had to be something better than this. Here is Neville Goddard's community. You are taught that you are the only cause. You are the only power that operates the world. You are the only God, and it's because you are not separated from God. You are part of the universe, and the universe is not separated from you. So it means you are the universe, and everything in the universe is yours. This is what Neville Goddard's teachings can teach you, and these powerful thoughts make you feel positive, inspired, and motivated. God isn't separated from you because, in your life, you are the only operant, and whatever you want, you can do. There is no longer any need to believe in secondary causes, whatever they may be. You, and only you, are the God of your reality and have the power to be and have whatever you want. I know many of you still don't believe it, or they don't act like they believe it, and that's why most of you are under the control of secondary causes and are living a life they don't want to live. If you are one of those, you have to believe that you are the cause of everything if you truly want to experience the life you desire. Let me now include a quote from Neville Goddard's book. He says, "It can't be another. There is no other. So if there is only one God and Father of us all, who is above all, through all, and in all, well, if He is in all, I know He is in me, for I say, I am. I also know He is in every living thing in this world. But although He is in every being and there are billions, He is in me. And there is only one God. Therefore, I can't say that He did it. His name is not He is or She is. His name is forever I am, so I can't pass the buck. No matter what it appears on the outside, I am the cause of the phenomena of life." You know, Neville Goddard said, your consciousness is the only reality. But I want to tell you that you are conscious and your consciousness is your reality. It means what is in your consciousness plays out in your life. What isn't in your consciousness will have no effect on your life because it is absent from it. Simply put, the life that you live, or your 3D world, is made up of what you are conscious of. Whatever you are conscious of affects your life somehow. You know, whatever you see, whatever you hear, and whatever happens to you, you become conscious of it, and it gives rise to some thoughts in your mind, and later those thoughts become your reality. No matter who you are conscious of being conscious because you are I am. When you say I am, you are saying that you are the cause. You are the God of your reality. Your I am gives you the power even if you are using it unconsciously and by default. If you want to manifest a life by design, you need to use your power consciously and remove the fears and doubts that will prevent you from doing so. Now, if you want to manifest your desire and you don't want to manifest unwanted things, you need to remove all the doubts. If you are now living a life that you don't want to live or experiencing things that you don't want to experience, it means you have manifested the things based on your doubts. So just remove these doubts and manifest the desired things, circumstances, and experiences in your life. If you want anything to be yours, you will have to believe that it is yours, and indeed it is yours because you are the God and everything is yours. Neville said that you are the cause because you indeed are the cause. You are the cause of all the good things happening to you. You are the cause of all the bad things that happen to you in your life. So as you have become aware of the fact that you are God, you can use your thoughts intentionally to manifest all the things that you desire. Remember that we are the cause of the good, the bad, and the ugly. We are the cause of the neutrality as well. We are the cause of what we love about our lives and the cause of what we hate about them. We are the cause of it all. Now here, I have a question for you that can change your life. Do you want to keep living according to the rules by which you have lived your life until now, or do you want to live by your imagination? If you don't want to live your life the way you have been living it, you have to be aware of your imagination and control your thoughts. Your life springs from your imagination. Here's what Neville Goddard says: people are totally unaware of this fantastic power of the imagination, but when man begins to discover this power within him, he never plays the part that he formerly played. He doesn't turn back and become just a reflector of life. From here on in, he is the effector of life. Now that we have discovered that we can manifest the desired reality using the power of imagination, here's another question that most people in manifesting community ask: how do we imagine? It seems like when people are told that they have everything they want, they can't imagine it anymore. The funny thing is that they don't face any problems while imagining the unwanted thing that they are continuously manifesting. We can say that the first problem that people face, even after knowing that they can manifest anything by imagining it, is that they don't know how to imagine. But the fact is that the life that you have been living was manifested by your imagination. It means you manifested your whole life with your imagination and weren't aware of it. You manifested all these things unintentionally. You are required to intentionally manifest your desires so that you can manifest the desired things and not the unwanted things. Imagine something is easy, but you were doing it unintentionally, and now if you aren't facing any problems while imagining consciously, it simply means you have some doubts, and that's why you can't imagine it for yourself. You have been imagining since you were an infant, but now you wonder why you can't imagine. Do you know that children are always good at imagining? It's because they don't doubt. They believe easily, and they don't have any blocks as adults have. Here, we have a limiting thinking society that we live in, and if we think something that is unrealistic according to them, they make us feel guilty. Neville Goddard said that it is your wonderful imagination that is God, so you don't need to limit yourself to the norms of society. You are God, and everything is possible for you. Don't see yourself as others do. You are the creator of your life, so start imagining your purpose. Start controlling your thoughts. Be conscious of your thoughts and get rid of all the negative ones that you have inside your head. Now I want you to tell me the best way to imagine your desires so that you can feel it real. You know that Neville Goddard himself suggests many techniques that you can practice. The ladder technique and the SATS technique are the two most famous and commonly used of Neville Goddard's manifesting techniques. They basically involve imagining your desire. You will have to create a scene based on what your desire is, and you will imagine it. Imagining your desire by imagining a scene that will happen in reality is the best way to imagine your desire, because this scene appears real to you, and as it will take place after you manifest your desire, it feels completely real. And if you can't imagine effectively, or if you have some doubts, then you can combine visualizations with some affirmations. Affirmations make your visualizations strong, and they both help you imagine what you desire. Once you start feeling that your desire has manifested in reality, it will immediately come into existence, because once it gets created in your imagination, it takes a few days before it gets created in the world outside of you. The world outside of you is controlled by the world inside of you. It is your responsibility to be conscious of the inner world, especially your thoughts, assumptions, and imagination, because they are responsible for creating your life. This is simple and easy, yet many people can't understand it because, as we discussed, they are trained to manifest unintentionally. To intentionally manifest your intentions, you have to become the master of your thoughts. Learn to control them, or you will manifest unwanted and undesirable things. I hope I was able to deliver a good analysis of this quote by Neville Goddard. And of course, this doesn't mean we agree with every single thing he said or believed in, because in the end, everyone will form his or her own opinion, and that is why we are analyzing and discussing his ideas and methods to fully understand his approach and general ideas, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.